Today at Highridge AI Consulting, I'm going to show you an automation that we built where a lead will come in through your website contact form. You will be able to prepare a brief on the new lead, their company, an angle to take. You'll also be able to send out a calendar invite to have a meeting straight away. So you keep the lead warm and then you talk to them as soon as you can. So everything is automated in terms of the flow. So let's jump into our contact form and go through this. So we have some test information in the contact form. So let's start the conversation. We're looking at Westside Plumbing Limited. So this is a test name that we made up. Let's see what the AI brings back. So this will trigger the contact form. Now we will check in on the automation. Okay, you can see it's starting to spin. So it's now researching the company. We should go into our drafts here and let's see what it produces. All right, there we go. So this is what it's come back with on Westside Plumbing. So they submitted the inquiry, appears to be in the plumbing trade, no additional information. Okay, so it picks something up. It tells you what they're looking for. This is the pain point, the questions to ask in the meeting, suggested angle. Everything here can be amended. You can add in different questions. It's all that the prompt is set up on the back end here. So you can put in your own parameters here, exactly what you want to have going into that meeting with the client. Let's take a look now at Gmail to make sure the calendar invite came in. And yeah, 8:26, you can see discovery call with Westside Plumbing. So you simply add this invite to your calendar. So yeah, all set, all automated. And one of the automations that we are building here, plenty more. If you have an idea on what you want to do, please let me know, send me a message here and we can move it forward.